What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go to the new listing and get it set up. I'm going to continue to be purchasing things for that property and continue to set it up. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the products that I bought on Amazon. You guys can see them right here. I made a video talking about these items that I purchased here, and I want to let you guys know that you don't have to go and break the bank to furnish one of these properties. You can do it for a very great price point. And Amazon provides you with a great resource and a great tool to go find items that are reasonably priced, and they're actually the best priced items on the market for the quality that you're paying for them. What I'm moving over to the property today are 3 mattresses, a triple stacked bunk bed, a table, some chairs, and of course all of this stuff from Amazon, and a queen size bed. So we're gonna get in there today and we're gonna get a lot done. Along with going shopping, we're gonna go to Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, and see like what else we can pick up. So right now we're gonna go load this up into my Jeep and take it there. Hope you guys enjoy, and once again, thank you guys all for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you guys find this video valuable. Yo guys, this is everything loaded up on the trailer. This is the property right here, and there's the additional square footage. There's a door to it. So right now, let's get this stuff in here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a sec. We just made it to the listing, unloaded everything, and we put together a list of everything that we already have and everything that we need. I'm gonna show you guys what it is that we're going to purchase. Here's the list, and I'll keep you guys posted. Right now we're about to go shopping, get as much of this stuff as possible. You guys are more than welcome to have a look at what it is that I'm getting. You guys can see there's a few things like the permitting fees, all that stuff. I'm gonna make a detailed video once I'm done with this whole process, but here are the dimensions of the 2 rooms, and then this is literally everything that we need to buy. Right now we're gonna head to the store and see if we can pick a bunch of this stuff up. These are the boxes that I got from Amazon. What we have in here are a bunch of pillows. These are the really firm pillows that I purchased, as you guys saw in the video. These are the towels. These are really high quality towels, like hotel industry quality, so definitely recommend you guys get something like this for your guests. Here we have a comforter. It's a queen size comforter for one of the queen beds. Getting white is pretty standard because, you know, if there's anything dirty on the comforter, you can easily spot it and then wash the comforter, clean it out. This is gonna be essential. If you have guests that are traveling for business purposes, they need to iron something, we also provide that. Here we have a Black & Decker steam iron. This is Sean from Airbnb Automated's famous knife set that he recommends, and I recommend you guys buy this as well. Last but not least, the Brita. This is going to be a must-have for every single unit. If you're scaling, if you're trying to do this well, a Brita is essential. Water bottles are good, but a Brita is hands down going to always win. The final package, these are the comforters, and see, we have 3 twin size comforters in here. And then the bed sheets. These are the hotel style bed sheets. All of the stuff is linked down below if you guys want to go check it out. And you guys go ahead and purchase it. It's going to be essential. It's going to expedite the process of you running around. Just as I imagined, it got dark while we're out there buying everything for the property. I'll do a little walkthrough with you guys and show you what it looks like. This is like mid-process of being set up. I'll show you guys everything we purchased. Here's the receipt. The grand total is $637.45. Well, you guys, there you have it. We're looking at a total of like $2,500. That's a ballpark of what we have currently invested into this listing, including the lease. Right now, this is the current status of the property. We got a bunch of stuff. We went ahead and bought more pillows so we could double pillow all the beds, more towels for just in case we need to, you know, have backups. This is a cool little thing I found here at Walmart. You could put your phone here if you're using the bathroom, and we could just store toilet paper there, toilet paper holder. More stuff, cookware set, light bulbs. I went ahead and got LED lights. We're gonna go ahead and switch out these current light bulbs. They're just standard white light. These are blue lights, I'm pretty sure. They're gonna be more efficient. And we got some cleaning supplies and some mugs. This right here is the perfect fit for this little guy. So guys, with all of this stuff here, this is literally almost everything we need to get this place listed. We are going to go ahead and set it up, just the 2 of us. This washer dryer stack, I actually found it on Facebook Market. I purchased it for $200. Those washer dryer stacks usually go for about 1,500 bucks, so I found a really great deal. There's a lot of affordable ways to go about this process. What we have here is a triple stacked bunk bed. This is gonna be 3 beds in one right here. What I'm showing you guys here, 3 mattresses, 3 beds. This was $600. This goes for about $1,500 brand new, but we bought the bed used, and therefore it was over half off. The last thing I'm gonna show you guys here is the sign. This is part of the regulation process here, and this is gonna be something I'll be talking about in the videos to come. This is a checklist of things I made that we need to get that I don't quite have yet. This queen bed and mattress, I'm probably gonna buy it on Amazon. And just a few of these things that we need to get here. A locking storage bin, like Airbnb automated. Sean, he made a video talking about this little locking bin. It's like a black storage bin. You need a little fake plant for the bathroom, end tables. We're thinking about, like, for both bedrooms, something small that we can use for, you know, setting things on, like a little end table nightstand. The TVs we have to purchase still. The blinds for all the windows. For the most part, this is about $2,500 in current expenses, and everything's moving right along. Well guys, there you have it. This is currently where we're at in the stage of the listing process. I'm gonna continue to update you guys on the current status of this property. Right now we're gonna get to work, get the bed set up, we're gonna get everything put away, and I will keep you guys updated. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned on my channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. I will see you all in the next video.